Today, we're going to look at the combination set. In my opinion, the combination set is probably one of the first things you should buy if you're just getting into buying some tools. It's got everything you need for layouts. It's got a ruler, a center finder for all your dowels and anything round, protractor for all the different angles, and it's got a square that can be used for a bunch of different things. The square itself has a 90 and a 45. The 90 is great for checking blade angles, or you can use it to check your piece after you cut it to make sure that it is a true 90. The ruler can even slide to a set measurement, and you can use it to easily mark parallel on different projects. Not only that, this square has a little bubble level, and on the back of it, it even has a little scribe, but mine's broken. Now the ruler locks in through this little hook mechanism. In the center of the ruler, there's a little guide, and within each piece, on the end of the threaded locking mechanism, there's a little hook that's got to go right into the center of that. You can slide the ruler to whatever measurement you need, and then you just tighten it up and you're good to go. Protractor for setting your angles is the same thing. You just loosen the two threads, rotate it to whatever angle you need, and then just tighten the two threads up on the back again and go ahead and mark your angles. Now this was a quick and basic introduction to a combination set, but it's one of those tools that I really recommend anybody that's looking to get into the trades or do some DIY projects at home to pick up. It's extremely useful, and you don't need to buy an expensive one. You can find cheaper ones out there. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and in the next one, we're going to be going through squares and some of the tips and tricks and different measurements you can do with that thing. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.